Welcome back, cryptocurrency community. It has been a while. In today's video, I'll give a brief intro on what SundaeSwap is, and then I'll explain the taste test. I'll make another video fairly soon with the real price prediction, not just clickbait. Another note, this is not financial advice, and I highly recommend you do your own research. Without further ado, I bring you SundaeSwap.
Yeah.
For those of you who don't know what SundaeSwap is, it's probably the most anticipated decentralized exchange of the year, launching on the Cardano network. It will be very similar to PancakeSwap and Uniswap. But what's more anticipated than the exchange itself is its native token, Sundae. With this much hype around the project, it's quite possible that we see the Sundae token 5, 10, or possibly 20x. If you check out their website, you could find more info on the project and what their goal is, as well as the team, their white paper, investors, and partners. So SundaeSwap is currently in their testing phase on the testnet. You could go to their website to check it out. You would just click on Enter App. If you wanted, you could connect your Nami wallet, and they'll deposit a whole bunch of play tokens into it so you can mess around on the testnet. So the taste test is a way for the community and not the SundaeSwap team to create the price of the Sundae token. How that works is by depositing ADA during the taste test. And when that taste test ends, you'll receive an ADA to Sundae LP tokens. What that means is half of your ADA will stay in ADA, and the other half will be converted to Sundae. This is great for getting you in at the launch price of the coin, but we don't know what that price will be. And if it's too high, people will pull out, withdraw their ADA from the taste test, and if it's too low, people will deposit their ADA into the taste test. So this is a very interesting concept, and it's something that the crypto community has just never seen before. But if you don't know what an LP token is, I suggest looking into it as well as impermanent loss before participating in the taste test. Overall, I think their article was poorly explained. Having such a massive community, I'm sure I wasn't the only one confused after reading it the first time, or the second time, or the third time. But they could have done better in explaining it. So if we scroll down to how it works, at the launch of the protocol, 7% of the community supply of the token will be locked by the DAO into a smart contract called the taste test. Over the course of 10 days, after the taste test launches, members of the community will be able to deposit ADA or Sundae from their ISO rewards into the same contract. The ratio of ADA to Sundae will fluctuate, but unlike a liquidity pool, no swapping can happen, and you'll only be able to withdraw the tokens you put in. At the end of those 10 days, all of these tokens will be used to create the ADA to Sundae liquidity pool, establishing the initial price for the token. Everyone who deposited ADA or Sundae, including the DAO itself, will then be able to claim liquidity provider tokens that track their share of the pool. However, these LP tokens represent ownership of both assets in the pool. It is as if everyone who participated swapped half their deposited assets for the other, collectively at the same price. If you want to read the full article, you can visit sundaeswap-finance.medium.com. Link will be in the description. Right off the bat, we see the 7% of the community supply, and I think this is a bit deceiving, the way they stated this, because what they're referring to here is the total supply of the token, which is 2 billion tokens. So community supply and total supply are the same thing. And for those of you who don't know the tokenomics, you can see the breakdown of it here. So 55% will be to the public, 25% for the team, 13% to investors, 5% for future hires, and 2% for advisors. So 7% of that 2 billion tokens is 140 million tokens, Sundae tokens. And those 140 million Sundae tokens will be allocated for the taste test. And if we move on to the second paragraph, it's a bit confusing as well. I don't think they explained the timeline particularly well. And what this is saying is that the exchange will launch in tandem with the taste test and ISO. So on that first day of the 10 days of the taste test, the exchange will be launched. So you will be able to trade other coins on the Cardano network and tokens. And then that first day, the taste test and the ISO launch. After the 10 days of the taste test, the price is determined and you'll be able to buy and sell Sundae tokens. So during that 10 days, the Sundae token will not have a price. You'll only be able to deposit ADA into the taste test or stake your ADA into the ISO. That's all I have for you today, so thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope this explanation helped you out understanding the taste test. I know it's a hard concept for some to grasp, but if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you didn't, just close YouTube and get on with your day, or drop a dislike. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And until next time, keep on crypto.